travel the world from Chicago to Detroit, Paris to London. Don't you try to stop me, I've already made up my mind. I'm packing my bags, there's no turning back, something I'm leaving behind. And I may not be coming back just for you, just for you. And I may not be coming back just for you.
What's up, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hannah in the building. What's going on? Get everything set up. We got a green day finally. The market has been getting beat up. We about to get this thing started. Getting some things set up real quick. All right, we can get this thing popping now. Terry, what's going on? What's up? We got Yoda in the building. Shout out to Yoda. We drop a exclusive bomb for you. I might be crazy, but I had to grab a small position in Ape. If you got in yesterday at $7, you're still good. You're up right now. You are up right now. And it's really no bad buying cryptocurrency right now, to be honest. Prices are good. And we will talk about all of that. Well, good morning, beautiful people. I'm your host, Lando Success. Hope all is well. You know, let's do some housekeeping. Press that like button. Press that subscribe button. Breaking news. So what I decided, this is what I decided, I'm going to talk about it throughout the live, is a lot of people need help right now. A few people been reaching out to me. It's like, yo, Lando, is this a good time to buy into cryptocurrency? Where should I invest my money? And I've been wanting to start a Patreon and stuff for the longest, but you know, it's pros and cons with doing it. You have to be on it every day to give people good quality content. But I'm like, look, I got enough subscribers at this point, so I'm going to probably release the information about the Patreon today or sometime this weekend, hopefully, because the way I look at it is, this is about to be the perfect time. Like right now is the best time for people to get involved in investing. Most people usually get in at the high, show people, you know, everything is perfect, make money while everything is green. But when it's red, the market is crashing, and we possibly can learn through a recession. This is the best case scenario for new investors to be able to learn. So the Patreon, it won't be cheap. I'm not doing like no little $2 Patreon. It's going to probably be like $20 a month. And the way I look at it is you're going to get that $20 back your first video you watch. So the content that I don't put out on here, I will be putting directly to exclusive members of that, where it's like, yo, all right, y'all, I'm waking up. This is what I'm buying, and this is why I'm buying it. And I'm going to have an engagement type of platform for you guys to be able to talk and engage on there. I don't want to do a Discord because I don't understand Discord. Don't want to do a Telegram because I don't understand Telegram. And I will have to be on it too much. But I think a Patreon will really benefit a lot of people. And this is how we're going to become millionaires and get rich off of investing during a recession. So be on the lookout for that, because I'm definitely going to get that thing popping. Chris in the building. Chris say, yeah, no, I'm hoping for a bull run, about to get married June 1st. Chris, hey, let's drop an exclusive bomb for Chris. Chris needs some money, man. He don't need anything else dropping. Chris, speak it to existence. If you can choose one coin, which coin are you invested in the most that you would like to see, a good 20x? I love it. My Luna look like Shiba Inu. Luna turned into a freaking meme coin, yo. Like, that's crazy. I would have never in a million years guessed that Luna will literally turn into something where it's like you literally only can't even, under 1 cent. Like, look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is 0.09 and stuff, right? You look at Shiba, it's 0.0000014, right? Excuse me. Oh, man, I was outside yesterday playing cornhole, and my allergy's terrible. Look at this. 0.000082. Man, who would have ever thought that, man? I don't know. Now, the Luna Foundation, I think they're delusional at this point, because a lot of us, did a little investing and bought in when we could, because it's like, hey, worst case scenario, if it ever go back up, we're going to get rich as hell. So I got me over 1,000 coins for like $6. We haven't heard anything since May 11 from Do Kwon. He's been MIA. He said what he's going to do. But, people want to hear from the founder sometimes. But he's probably trying to not jump off a bridge right now. Terra Luna, the blockchain has officially halted. Terra Validators has halted the network to come up with a plan to reconstitute it. More updates to come. And it said the Terra blockchain has resumed block production. Validators had decided to disable on-chain swaps, and ICB channels are now closed. Users are encouraged to bridge off-chain assets such as BETH to their native chains. Wormhole bridge. So people mainly want to know is like, okay, if y'all start something new, what happened to the money we have in our wallets? That's the problem. And you look at this, you need to respond to this ASAP. Oh, is this Binance or this somebody at Binance? 5.9 million followers. Who is this? Who is this person? Is this the CEO of Binance? I'm very okay. At Binance, we prioritize user protection. We made the decision to suspend Luna and USC trading, and here is why. An exceptional amount of new Luna were minted due to flaws in the design of the Terra protocol. Their validators have suspended the entire network, resulting in no deposits or withdrawals. Okay. Some of our users, unaware of the large amount of newly minted Luna outside of the exchange, started to buy Luna again. Oh, no. Without understanding that as soon as deposits were allowed, the price will crash even further. Due to significant risk, we are suspended trading. Fourth, while Binance always aims to be neutral, helpful, and protective for all users and industry peers, we typically refrain from commenting on other projects. I will break the rule this time. I am very disappointed. Like, if that's what you're used to doing, then stick with it. Shut the hell up. But it's like, I break the rule this time. So every time now, since he did this, every time anything happened, they're going to be forcing him to try to make a statement. I'm very disappointed with how the USC Luna incident was handled or not handled by the Terra team. We requested their team to restore the network, burn the extra minute Luna, and recover the US peg. So far, we not getting any positive response or much response at all. 6, this is a sharp contrast to Axie Infinity, where the team took accountability, had a plan, and communication with us proactively. We help. We know there are different options in the community, opinions in the community. We feel suspended trading is the best way to protect users. We continue to monitor. Okay, so that's their thoughts about it. Everybody keep on. What that say? Fuck Duquan. Yeah. Just shut down the business already. Even if you guys get it back to normal, nothing can ever be the same. Come with a brand new, better product. Nah, Duquan name is bad out here on the streets. What's y'all thoughts about Luna? My thing is everybody have short-term memory. So long as they restore the faith and people start making money, then people gonna shut up. This is just a today situation. Tomorrow is a whole different energy. So I ain't fully too much worried about it. Today I told my wife what happened with our Luna stack. She told me there are more important things in life than money. I should move on. She made me pancakes and just smiled at me. She's a keeper. I will never stop loving her. Shit, I ain't tell my wife. What happened. She better watch my YouTubes to see what's going on in the market. Baby, I lost Omar college fund. I don't know what to tell you. It all went into Luna.
Oh, no.
Oh, she better watch my YouTube. Oh, man. All right, what y'all talking about? Do it. Start a Patreon. I'm with you. Let's go. T Ford say the market is trash.
Oh, my God. They took my job.
Did they take your job, T Ford? They tell you to go home. I literally sold my Luna for all gold the day before the murder. That's great freaking timing. Would have been great to you if you would have told everybody else. That's the owner of Binance. Okay, he got 5 million followers. That's crazy. I thought I was buying the dip at 30. Couldn't keep up with the dip. Yeah, I bought the dip at $14, and I thought I was doing something crazy. Then I bought it at $5, then $2, then 1 cent. And that's all she wrote. Money out the window for now. We'll see. It's my portfolio down like $6. Yolando, what up, dog? Jesse, what's going on? Don't be down on Luna. How much you down? You just know my portfolio is at about $6. Jonathan, what's going on? What's popping, player? What's popping? So let's look at the market. See what's going on in the market. Refresh you on up. It's green today, man. It's a green day. People are happy. A little bit of a recovery. Bitcoin is up 4% in the last day. Ethereum up 5%. BNB up 10. People is back buying. XRP 13%. Cardano up 14%. That's crazy. Up 14% in a day, and it's still under 60 cents. Solana up 16%. The market is on fire. Corolla's at 19 cents, about to be back at 20. So it's a money making day. It's a green day. Let's look at the biggest movers, because this is why you need to be buying in on the dip. And that's why you got to have hustles different ways. Look at this. You have Gala is up 55% at 9 cents. You have Steppen. I've been talking about Steppen. Recession-proof company, business, if you ask me. Needs to give me some more Solana so I can buy me some sneakers. Get paid to run at this point. I love the concept, to be honest. Nothing too exciting in there. The biggest losers. Rap Luna is down 99.97%. UST is down to 14%. Matt, like, thinking it's supposed to be at $1, yo. That's supposed to be at $1. Look at this. This is the biggest, tragedy in crypto history right here. Jesus. Just down. Boom. Came back. Down. Boom. Down. Boom. Down some more. Yeah, it's hard. I don't know how they're going to come back from that. Will be interesting to see what they got going on. Luna and UST trading resumed. Why? Fellow Terra block validators had decided to resume block production. We talked about that. Yeah, I wouldn't bet too much Luna right now. Ape up 70% in 2 days. That was just down 80% from all-time high, and now it is back up. On the new website, we are greeted with several details of the other side. Hint of the in-game marketplace. Voyagers get to buy and sell and trade. Owners of a demo. Let's look at the website. Is it other side? Other side. Play the trailer. Stop that. I think that's the first one. We'll leave that one alone. I hate it's so weird. You guys see the video I posted to play the earn game? All right, I'm back. I don't know what just happened right there. Took a player out for a hot second. Let's not do it. All right, I'm back. Let's look at good old Ape Coin. AP. Ape. Where you at? Let's see what Ape Coin price is at. I think it's at $9 last time I checked it. Yep, right at $9. In the last day, up over 5%. People still buying it. Are you guys still buying Ape right now? I got that. Went down. Went up to right about close to 9 right there. Down, back up. Riding the wave right now. Last hour is going down like hell. So let's see. That's going down. Let's see if crypto on a downtrend. Okay, Bitcoin is going down in the last hour. How low are we going? So everything in the last hour is going down. So we on a small downtrend. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. If you haven't done it already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We getting this thing popping. To see what everybody is saying in the comments. Is the stock market also up like that today? Yep, it is. So we're about to check it out. Question: what is the maximum amount of big? Let me see. What is the maximum amount of big time billionaire can put into a coin? And how much can 1 billion affect the price point wise? So I'm assuming you're saying how much can somebody invest into a coin at once? It depends on what exchange they're using. And if you're gonna buy something, I'll put it on a offshore wallet like a ledger. And you said, how much can it affect the price? It can affect the price a lot because you have like the real life nerds that look at all the transactions, right? So like when somebody will buy Shiba, it's a transaction that can't be hidden. You know, you can validate it, you can see it, see the wallet who bought it, and then they would do a Reddit about, hey, somebody just bought 1 billion of so and so. And yes, long as people circulate the news correctly, it can affect the price. In my opinion, a few people have debunked that certain buys can't affect the price because history shows the price should be higher than what it is with the volume we buy certain coins, but it don't always work that way. So it's kind of weird. Jason says Luna done or just gone and crypto winner. I don't know. I think to be honest, I think it's too early for anybody to say Luna's done yet, because this all happened in the last 5 days, the last week. So we don't know yet. We completely have no idea right now. It looks bad. It's easy to say Luna's done. Luna is a scam. Luna's a Ponzi scheme. Let's come back 6 months from now. Let's come back 3 months from now. Let's come back from a year from now and see what's going on. So I wouldn't say they're fully done. Just look bad. It's not looking good. They got to come from the dead if they want to do something. What's up, dog? I'm out here staking on some Crow. I haven't bought no Crow during a dip because I just feel it was too many other coins that we can take advantage of a bigger price increase. You see like how Gala just went 55% in a day. I don't see Crow doing that. So I'm still staking Crow. See, I never bought any Luna. Do you think now would be the time to buy some? No. At this point, like my thing is buy 1,000 coins. Whatever it costs for 1,000 coins. When I got some yesterday, it was like $6 to get like 1,000 coins. Just get 1,000 coins. So right now it's probably $2. And you got to think a week ago, if you had 1,000 coins and Luna was at $100, which wasn't even its all-time high 2 months ago. $100 and you have 1,000 coins. What is that? $100,000? Because let me see, $100. If you have 10 coins, that'd be 1,000. Then if you had 100 coins, that'd be 10,000. I mean, yep. So yeah, that's $100,000. If it ever, say it took 10 years to hit 100 to hit $100 again. If it's still on that chain, it's worth it. But, it's not looking good. I need another massive dip. Well, yeah, because my thing is, it sucked because I wasn't able to fully take advantage of the dip. Probably like most of us, I bought in on a dip, but we was getting beat so bad, it's hard to literally grab more money and take advantage of the dip. And you're scared because you don't know how long the dip is going to keep on dipping. So it's a tough situation to be in, if you ask me, when it come down to this good old crypto market. Anybody listen to that Kendrick album yet? Kendrick dropped his new album today, and I listened to it one time. The first listen, I love the first half of it. The first half of the album is amazing, lyrically dope and all that stuff. But let's see on Twitter. The second half is like weird Kendrick. I like Kendrick spitting. I don't like Pimp a Butterfly Kendrick. So I have to listen to it a few more times to see. Mr. Morale and Big Steppers. He say it's out. Yeah, let me know y'all thoughts on that. Everybody named Mama gonna say, classic. It's a classic. But it takes, you take some time. We gotta let it breathe a little bit. Luna 2-0. Never thought I'd be around an event like that. Me either. Like it up, guys. This dude deserve it. Shout out to Mother Yoder. And get the likes up. Let's get them up. Let's get the likes up to 100. Come on. I've been stacking dots. I've been stacking dot for the last year. It was created by the co-founder of ETH, Gavin Newsom. Never knew that. My friend said they are starting a Black Lives Matter coin. Have you heard anything about it? I heard some of the profits are going towards reparations. I'm being trolled. I haven't heard anything about that. I would stay very, very, very far away from them, because it's like I hate like organizations like Black Lives Matter is mainly ran by black lesbian women and is being funded by rich white people. So it's like rich white people got the money, black lesbian woman running it, and she's buying mansions and all that stuff. So I would not put any money y'all better off putting money in Lando coin to at least get some transparency. So no, I will leave that in. Damn sure don't give me any reparations in the form of crypto. Give it to me in regular hard cash. You can put it into my USDC wallet. I'll take reparations in USDC. No Luna, no UST, no Bitcoin. Give it to me in USDC. That's how I would take it. Batlander, you keep it real, dog. Let you know, homo. Hey, man, you know, that's a good thing. You're going to come on my channel, dog. You're going to get the freaking real. A lot of channels don't talk about politics, race, religion. I am who I am. And the people that rock with me are going to love that about me. And the people that don't, you know, like I was telling my wife yesterday, everybody content is not for everybody. Because we was talking about her, she started her business with selling like sweet treats and stuff. Freaking amazing, best banana pudding you'll have. You know, she got this drunken strawberry shortcake where she put like some strawberry Baileys in it. All type of like crazy sweet treat stuff. And like for the cones, I think it's like it's like $14 each, two for like $28 or whatever it is. And some people was like, yeah, you know, it's expensive and all of this stuff is costs too much. And the way I told her, I'm like, babe, you got to look at it like this. I get reached out for sponsorships every day. The last 3 that I actually responded to and gave them my price, every single one of them like, oh, that's too expensive. I'm like, it's okay. That just means it's not for you. That's completely okay with me, but my price is my price. I didn't say, okay, man, well, let me lower the price down some more. Y'all reached out to me. Y'all need me, I'm okay. Completely okay. And that's why I'm like, you got to have that type of mindset, because it's a reason why Gucci is still in business. Some people is going to buy Gucci and some people are just going to go to Kmart and go get some shoes. None of them is wrong, but some things is for some people. I'm like, look at Cold Stone and Dairy Queen. Both sell good ice cream, but Cold Stone ice cream is on a whole different level. And that's where I'm at, where it comes down to the content creation. I could take a bunch of sponsorships, you know, it's like, yeah, it's good, especially now with the economy going down, but it is what it is. Or you'll see, like, I'll read some of the comments, they'll be like, I'm unsubscribed from your content, Orlando. It's like, it's a million YouTubers that talk finance. Just, you know, I'll probably not be for you. Oh, we got a super chat. We got 305 Crypto Boy in the building. Shout out to my brother from another. Just dropped a super chat. Everything they said about you, I knew half of that shit is not true. If anybody got your back, your boy Lando got your back. Do you think we are in a bear market? First thing I responded at 100% yes. 100% we are in a bear market because we are in a recession. People like, thing is, we're completely in a recession. Just the nerves are dumb where they first have to see the data and 4 months from now and come back and be like, hey, you guys, we was actually in a recession down there. We can go outside and go get some gas right now. Go to the grocery store. You know, just go look at crypto, look at the stock market. Yes, we're completely in a bear market. I think so. Just don't think it's going to last as long. Get ready to buy good coins at discount. Okay, first, the next thing. That's where I'm kind of stuck at, is with how long it will last. And it sucked. I was talking about it yesterday on my live, where it's like, when you have a recession or something, or we'll just say crypto, when crypto go down, we seen with Bitcoin in 2017, it went from 19,000 back to $3,000, and it took 3 years to get back over to like 19,000. So it trades sideways for 3 years. We don't know if that will happen again, and I highly doubt it, because we have so much new infrastructure, technology, different companies know how to make money. So it's hard to stay down too long, but you don't necessarily know. So you don't want to throw your full bag in right now, being fear of is missing out. And next thing you know, the dip keep on dipping and you didn't lost some money. That's that's what majority of us learned this recent 2022 crash. We learned if you buy the dip just kept on dipping. That's just completely what we learned. It's like, damn, okay, man, I pulled my crypto out. It went down. You like, yes, I just saved $2,000 from pulling my money out. Wow, it don't never work like that. All right, boom, let me get back in. And it dipped another 50%. And you like, damn.
Oh, no.
It's sad, man. It's sad out here, man. But I think it's a good opportunity right now to even start buying because it's a discount. So shout out to you. I appreciate the love. If you had an opportunity to make a coin, what would you make? Let's see. If you had an opportunity to make a coin, what would you do to make it different? Off the top of my head, because I would change my answer like soon as I log off and actually think about it. But if I was to make a coin, it would be a coin to empower the youth, such as give them paid education. Meaning, what I mean by that. So, and I would go more towards trade schools because there's so many foundations where in companies where kids can go to college and you got, so-and-so foundation. I'm more of a trade school person because college is not for everybody. I would be like, yo, let's take this money with the Lando Success Coin, right? We're going to first start in inner cities. We're starting in Detroit. We're going to start in Detroit and we're going to build a vocational center. So we're going to take the money, here go $1 million. Boom, we just built a building vocational center. Now we need heating, somebody teach heating and cooling. We need somebody to teach auto tech. We need somebody to teach welding and construction and culinary arts. We just say those 5. And we make sure we have enough money in our reserve to be able to pay them. And we will basically fund kids that basically apply and meet whatever stipulations we require for them to basically learn how to do trades, because that's the way kids can make money. Absolutely. Right now, you need money, go help build a house because the demand is high. Need welders nonstop. So everybody can really make 6 figures and all of that. And we have a CDL division where people can drive trucks. And I will use it like that, where you can actually see the money. Then we will go to St. Louis. Then we'll go to Milwaukee. Then we'll just keep on going to each city and build one. And that's would be the Lando Success Coin off the top of my head. Drop exclusive bomb for myself. Damn, that boy good. Yeah, I'm good. Just hit the thumbs up. Fat lesbian woman. She ugly too. At least be a cute lesbian woman. She ain't the best of looking. Look like she'd beat somebody ass. I wouldn't get in a fight with an old girl. Old girl look like she would beat my ass. Man is doing his thing. What man is doing?
Oh my God. They took my job!
All right, what we looking for, Manna? All right, what's the name? Oh my God! See, I don't like to just be talking about people, especially my black sisters. But what's the name of Black Lives Matter founder? Founder. What's her name? Here she go. Let's see if we find. She don't look bad right there. See, y'all must be doing like the bad pictures of my boo. Let's see. Oh, she ain't even on here, huh? Didn't she just get into it with old girl? I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah, she looked like she had completely beat my ass. Look at her. She tatted up too. Man, $6 million. See, I don't know how true this stuff is. I always see stuff like, yeah, admits to using $6 million, using $6 million mansion for parties. Yeah. What else you gonna use a $6 million mansion for? For parties. So that was a dumb statement. Like, yes, I will use my mansion for parties. Yeah, no. But my thing is, when you're in that limelight, like for example, real quick, like in my opinion, if you're a pastor, right? Now, let's say you're a pastor and you are chosen to be a speaker, a prophet, or whatever you want to call it for the community, right? And let's say you're out here in Michigan. Let's say you're in the Detroit area where we have you're in a low income area. I don't care how much money you are making. The illusion shouldn't be you driving a Bentley, you living in a mansion, while the people you're talking to is barely living check to check while we're donating towards you. Even if you have that money, you still need to stop trying to stunt on people. It's like, okay, have that shit in your bank account, have a foundation to give away most of the money, live okay. Like, hey, when you die, you're going to have some money for your wife. And I just don't understand it, yo. That's Lord. All right. Didn't you just say mana up? Mana is up 40% in the last day. They are crashing. Well, it's not crashing down, but it's going down like everybody else right now. 3%. But that's some good gainage right there. Look at this, man. The last month, mana was up over 50% from this, man. Jeez. Ooh. It's funny. In the last year, it's damn near even, only down 13%. Got that big jump. Boom. And went up there. Yeah, man. There's going to be a bunch of opportunity. I think, it was at 10% when we first got on here. Went 10% to 4%. So, well, hold on. Is it 10? Okay, it's still 10%. Over nothing. But y'all done that. All right. Who else is in here? Before we look at the stock market, Crow is above 20 cents. Shout out to Crow. I still got a long way to FOMO last year, 70 cents. BM by and large mansions. You know it. Oh, you got a new picture, dog. You got the pony. Purple pony. I like the purple pony. Tell us what you think about DOT trend. I never looked into DOT ever, so I'm not necessarily educated or hip to DOT just too much yet. Now, if we look at the stock market, that's what I want to tell you guys. Okay. All right, let's start with this. I'm all over the place. Now, did you guys see the news where it said Elon Musk say Twitter deal is on hold, right? Literally the Twitter deal on hold. Now, look at Twitter. See, I don't know if the price went up or not. So this was Twitter. Well, let's look at it like this. Okay. Before Elon Musk said anything about buying it, right? Elon Musk say something about buying it. Boom. Price goes up. Elon Musk said something about not buying it. Price goes down. I did a video the other day. And the video was when Elon talked about Trump. When he was like, I'm about to... When Elon was like, if I own Twitter, I'm about to reinstate Trump, right? And that shit made no sense to me. I'm like, literally, why would you say that? It just make sense. Why would you say it? Because if you're going to bring back Trump, just buy Twitter and bring back Trump. But for you to verbally say it, I'm like, he's not about to buy Twitter because he's gonna make the market crash with that. So I talked about it. Look at this. Musk is all over the news today. He basically just said at a conference, once he officially buy Twitter, he will bring Trump back, and it was a mistake banning him. And I'm probably thinking too much into it, but I highly doubt it because that was honestly not a smart move to make because you don't have Twitter yet. You have a lot of people that can block you, that can stop the process from going. Because if you wanted to bring Trump back, all you had to do was buy Twitter, then literally bring him back. And Trump said he you are a Twitter shareholder, I will be careful, because if this deal don't go through, Twitter shares is going to completely fall immediately once this news come out, and you're going to lose a lot of money. Well, Orlando said this, 3 days ago? 3 days ago I said this, and if we go over to Twitter, the famous Twitter, and breaking news, Germany announced that BTC held for more than 1 year ago can be sold tax-free. That's cool. Twitter deal temporary on a hold pending details supporting calculation that spam, blah, 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 blah. Elon, you are full of shit, my friend. So I don't like that, because he strategically did that. That statement didn't make sense. It's all right. I'm bringing Trump back. Everybody with common sense know the world hate presidents. So if Trump was president of the world, you got 50% of the world gonna hate him. Biden president, 50% of the world gonna hate him. Obama president, 50%. So you just gotta leave that shit alone when you have your ability to be able to buy this company in other people's hands. But for him to say that was a dumbass move. So I don't get it. But all right, back to the stocks. All right, you got the Dow. Dow is up. NASDAQ is up. Amazon is up. Apple is up a little bit. Tesla is up barely. Tesla's still under $800. Good price. Good price. Was this the lowest Tesla's been in a while? Look at this. Tesla haven't been $700. Let's say $770. Okay, it was $770 in February. But outside of that, it ain't been this low since September-ish. Interesting. Tesla, everything is green today. Yeah, besides that Vanguard stuff. But literally, yeah, so it's a green day in the market. The world needed it. We've been getting beat up too much. So, it is what it is. What you guys doing today? Y'all buying any crypto, any stocks today? And if you guys are buying some stocks, make sure you do it with Moomoo. Get you some free stocks. Sign up with the link in the bio. In the description, I have great deal with Moomoo. We do good business. I like them. And don't forget about Hodlnaut. Hodlnaut showed why you should have it. Actually, this recent crash, the ability to be able to swap your tokens, especially with Luna when everything's going down, and to be able to still have a good APY. So shout out to my players. It's for BMM or to get money. 6 million mansion charities throw parties to fundraisers. Her mistake was using mansion personally for her son's birthday. Yeah, you just gotta literally have some game, yo. Like, who the hell are you having around you to be like, to tell you to throw your own party in there? Like, just take your damn kid to Chuck E. Cheese and like rent out a hall somewhere. Like, you got the money. I don't know, man. I don't. People dumb. What up, Lando? What you think about Constellation DAG? I'm not hip to them. What's that? Gotta check them out. Urban Trump. I can eat. I feel like banning people from speaking about political ideas is stupid, but I agree with banning people who are doing active threats. Yeah, get the white supremacists that post a million pictures with guns nonstop and end up shooting up to school. That's who you supposed to be targeting, stuff like that. People talk their opinion about politics. It just sucks. Like, literally, I get put in Facebook jail for talking about a basketball game. Because like when you're black and you use slang, I didn't even use the N-word. I forgot what the hell. Oh, that's what it was KD. And I told KD he need to SHOOT that BISSH basically shoot the ball. And they just like, ding, you in jail for 30 days. You can't go on live. You can't do this. And it's like, I was talking about the basketball.
Oh my God. They took my job.
So yeah, I hate that, man. They need to hire some Ebonics people on there. Like, oh no, he said the N-word. He didn't say it in a derogatory term. It's a term of endearment. Might buy some Step App. Yeah, Step App I'm very bullish on Step App, to be honest. I need to stop being not cheap. I need some more money to buy me some tennis shoes on Step App. Because once I buy me some tennis shoes, I can make some money running. I can do some more content. And it's only like 12 Luna. I don't know the price now, so it went from $1,000. I'm happy I didn't buy it then because I would have been down on some money big time. Let's see if I can. Let me see. I'll show you guys how much it costs to buy some shoes on Step App right now. Let's see. Step in. Well, not Step App. I'm on Steppin. Buying some shoes. Let's see the price. The first shoes, the runners, are those the most expensive ones you can get, are 12.4 Solana. Come on. 12.4 Solana to be able to buy some. So, and that's the best ones you can get. If there's 12.4 Solana, let's say is $55. If we said it was $50, 10 of them would be $500. So we gonna say $624. That ain't bad. That is not bad at all. The way it performs with these times is crazy. I don't consider today a green day until BTC recovers over 35K. Right now it's trading sideways between 27 and 32. Let's look at it. Well, green day is green day. It don't matter what you consider it. It's a green day. It's up. Look, here go the day, and it's up. So it's a green day. Because your way, we can be like, well, it's not a green day because last year is down. Well, it's not a green day. The last month is down. It's called a green day. We could say a green month, red hour, but it's a green day. All right, so he wanted back over 35. The last time Bitcoin was over 35 was May 7th. So that was a week ago. About a week ago is the last time we seen that. Now, I would be with him. I would be surprised when it hit this, when it go right there. When Bitcoin go close to 32,000. Once it go over 32,000, then we can probably have a run. Anything outside of that is going to probably stay in this sunken place, in my opinion. Thanks for whoever just hit that like. To everybody that's new in here, hit that like button. Let's get them likes on up. I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. And I announced this when I first came on. I am launching a Patreon. Let's see if I'm going to do it today, this weekend, because this is literally the best time for people to get involved in cryptocurrency and learn how to build a strong portfolio. Where it's like, let's start off with these type of companies. Let's start off with our metaverse companies. Let's start off with this, building a strong portfolio. And I want to show people exactly how to do it where you have direct access to me. And since I'm growing now, I get a lot of people on Twitter ask for questions and Instagram DMs. And I answer them for free with no problem, but it's kind of delayed. But if I know it's incentivized, it's like, okay, the Patreon won't be cheap. It'll probably be like $20 a month. But the way I look at it is, what the hell is $20 if I'm going to show you how to make that in 30 seconds? Like that's easy. So don't worry about $20. That's easy stuff. But the thing was going to really help people the most, in my opinion, is when crypto.com release their buy and sell orders to the states, to everywhere. Because right now it's in Australia. When I tell you we are going to make crazy money, and some of this stuff, it go too fast, so I can't do a YouTube. But I can do a quick video and hit people up on Patreon like, yo, real quick, this is what I'm doing, and this is why I'm doing it. For example, like we'll use stepping. So we just looked at stepping. Look at stepping in the last month. I think, had they been out a full month? Yep, 7 in the last month, right? And most people buy in on the top. So let's say people bought in right here. It's like, all right, Lando, what's the next opportunity? Yo, what we're going to do? Like, okay, all right, we got the buy and sell orders going down. If it go down to $2, we're going to buy this shit all the way up. It's like, man, Lando's not going to go to $2. Boom. And we had this crazy drop right here. And we bought in 100 shares at 177. So it's like, all right, y'all, let's get our bag ready again. If it dropped down to 150, we about to do the exact same thing. And we got this order. We got the money already on the side just on step in, right? And it dropped to 150. And it's like, boom. Well, whenever it dropped to 150 right there. We bought some at 150 quick as hell. We like, all right, cool. Look, we going down to $1. If it dropped down to $1, we're going to do it again. And we got in at $1. So as of right now, let's say we bought in at $2. We bought in at 150. And we bought in at $1. And now look at the price. It's at 172. So even though this has been losing and not making money, I will have a way where it's like, okay, our $1 mark we bought in to double up our money, we're going to sell it at $2. So when it hit $2, we going to sell. It's like, Lando, we could keep it. No, yeah, we gonna sell that one because it might drop back down. So we'll be waiting for it. Once it flash up to $2, boom, we sold, we doubled up. Now we're waiting on our next one, our 150. Like, yo, when it hit $3, we gonna sell. And it's going to be so many ways I would be able to show people how to do it, but it's too fast paced. And most average people won't fully understand it. So that's how we're going to run the Patreon. So if you're interested, just stay looking for it because I'm going to do a video and we're going to get this thing popping. You know, everybody got their Patreon stuff and they ain't doing shit. They don't know shit about boxing. They don't know nothing. Could the dip dip lower again over this weekend? 100% it could, because this market is so emotional. 1 second is great and green and everybody happy, and the next second is crashing down. So it 100% can dip back down at any given second. Lauren, got my admin, my brother in the building. Everybody say what up to Lauren. It's easy to invest in a bear market. All you need is temperament and discipline. Yeah, it's easy as hell to invest in a bear market because everything is opportunity right now. You, like, who said something about buying ape earlier? Everything is a go. Like, look at crypto. There's not a good buying opportunity. Now, here you go. There is not a good buying opportunity anywhere on here. Everything is good. Just look at the last 7 days. You're getting a discount on Bitcoin, 15%. Ethereum, 22%. XRP, 27%. Solana, 34%. I'll be buying up Solana like crazy. 37% Avalanche. Shiba, if you're in the meme coins. Matic, 30%. So we'll be looking at anything go under 30%. Let's take a real look at it right now. You know, if we at 40%, do we have any takers? No, we're not going to. You are not a taker, UST. You cannot trick us. Shit. Oh, no. Where's our 40%ers? Boom. Thor chain. Is this the Thor that I like? Is this I don't think this is the Thor. Is this because they got Rune. Mine is Thor chain. Is this where's the website? I don't know. I'll look in that. I don't know if that's my Thor chain, the one I actually like, because I don't know about that Rune stuff. But Phantom, 48%. If you're in the Phantom, opportunity. So yeah, man, it's you can't go wrong right now in the market. Whatever you really buy, you're going to probably make money soon, to be honest. Bought some Solana last night. Yeah, I got some Solana. Matic, even with the Ethereum upgrade, Ethereum phase won't get better. Matic will still be useful. I agree. It's gonna be interesting when they do the upgrade. Y'all heard Lauren. Y'all heard the man. Subscribe. Y'all. Lando is one of the few YouTubers who isn't running for the hills right now, giving y'all the game through the downtime. Shout out to Lauren. Because and he's not lying. You got to think, right? For example, let's use me for example, right? 100% bullish on Luna. I'm like, yo, Luna will be the best investment in 2022, yo. So it's like, I'm like, yo, Luna's whatever it is, high risk, high reward, high risk, high reward. And it's like, when shit go good, it's like, all right, $5 to $117. You're a fucking genius. You're like, man, I told y'all whatever it is. And when it go to hell, most people don't have the nuts to come back on here and be like, yo, look like I was wrong about it. And you don't feel bad because the whole world was wrong. So it's like, nobody expected that, but it is what it is. And it's easy to talk crypto and talk all that stuff when the market is green. Everything is good. You got more YouTubers. You have people that's never learned about finance a day in their life, did an option trade, made 30,000. Then now they're starting Facebook groups and teaching people how they did it. And you got all of that. And once everything get red and everything get to dropping, yeah, man, that crypto stuff is scam, bro, man. I'm just going to focus on what I'm doing, just making money, man, and hustling because, you know, that one exchange, man, I lost all my money in there, man. And Coinbase saying they filed bankruptcy. I ain't That's how it is, man. People is scared. I am here, and I'm dropping content nonstop because at this point, I know the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm usually roll like this. When the market is good, YouTube channel is doing amazing. We're getting crazy views. People on Google is searching for YouTube and all that type of stuff. When the market is bad, it's the exact opposite. Your ad revenues is down. Sponsor reach out. Hey, Lando, market a little bad right now. We'll holler at you in a few months. So like everything is down. Your views is down. So my thing is like, yo, I need to take advantage of the downtrend. You can't hide. You got to release more content because I remember I learned, like, even though I talk my shit about Meet Kevin, I have learned a lot about him. I always learn from like the best people in it. And the way his channel blew up was at the beginning of the pandemic or whenever they was doing stimulus checks or whatever it is. He adjusted his content from real estate and stocks to what is going on in the world, what's going on in the economy, stimulus updates, and just like a news channel. People still want to know about news, even though they don't want to know about stocks. And when stocks go back regular, boom, you can hit them with your bread and butter, and you got a new form of people. So that's my mindset kind of right now, to get more viewers and subscribers and take advantage while people is going to disappear. Lando the hustler. I'm a hustler, baby. Ask about me. What you think of Richard Hart Pulse Chain? Richard Hart said in AMA, Pulse Chain X is coming in about 2 weeks. To be honest, Hex has been holding up great throughout all the shit. Hex really have been holding up very good throughout all of the shit. I give that to them. Last day, up 13%. And look at this. Doing good. Doing good. And when the market was going down, man, they just was completely climbing up. They went up to about 19 cents. Yep. Close to 20 cents, man. And that was good, man. That was good to see because they was going down for a good while. And you didn't see the cyber growth, you know, shit for a good second. So that's good, definitely, for the project. Let's see what's their percentages. Hex stake averages 38% returned a year. So, you know, you get 38% if you stake you a little bit of Hexacan. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what they end up doing. The hex price went. It's funny how they got them banned with Luna. The world is more skeptical on a lot of these tokens and founders and stuff. Why not FitFi? FitFi. Let's see. FitFi is not proven because stepping is out right now. I just showed y'all the app. I can use it right now. FitFi is using stepping name, to be honest. They have to first show us what they got going on. So they are taking advantage. It's not on here. But yeah, so you got Stephen been out a month. They really get to just look and see exactly what they have done right, they have done wrong, and aim to do better. So I don't know. I want to see how different their concept will be than stepping. And I don't like stepping, then you did step app. You just really just copied them. So I don't know. I don't like that. FitFi step app. Step app up 52% in the last 24 hours. I'm mad I only can't go 2 weeks. But yeah, I would personally invest in stepping. Leave FitFi alone until they come out and you get to see what they got going on. Crypto boards say, look at the previous bear markets. Most alts went down 95 to 99% of their all-time highs. Keep that money ready. We can all get rich if you know how to manage the bear market and do your own research. You're definitely right. This is the time to get rich. That's why I'm going to start that Patreon, because it's like, hey, can't say I ain't told y'all so exactly what we got going on. So I 100% believe that. ApeCoin sounding good for real. Their marketing team plus their tech side, they know how to build a solid game with good visuals. Yeah, ApeCoin is good in my opinion, ApeCoin is good for people with big money. If you get, say for example, if I get $5,000 right now sitting at the side, I would put that in ApeCoin on a dip, and ApeCoin just a buy and sell, because people the rally is crazy with ApeCoin. I'm just literally like this is, you haven't seen really too much anything like this. What ApeCoin literally, all right, came in right here. Say you put in $5,000 at $10 right here. I personally would have waited till it went to 15 so quick. I would have sold right here. I would have sold literally right here. Boom, I made $2,500. So now I have $7,500. So I would be waiting for it to go down to 10 again. 10. I'm like, okay. It went down under 12. I'll be like, okay, I'm about to change it to 11. If it go down under $11, I would shoot it. Boom. Got it at 11. I didn't want to wait to 10 because I know how it goes. It won't go back to where you want it to. So $11. This time I invested $6,000 in it. So now I'm going to be looking for $16. Since I did one more dollar, boom, 16. Sell right there. Made me $3,000. So now I'm at whatever the price it is. And I'll be looking, okay, Lando, this is going high. Let's buy in at $15. $15 right here. Boom. Bought in again. And I would have sold in at $20. And literally sat back and I would have seen this dip. And I'd have been like, I think this going to crash bad. I'm going to buy in under $10. Because I already knew the price was $9 to $12. I said it. So that's like my mindset. $10, boom, I would have put in $7,000 right there. It's like, shit. Nah, I'm in this shit. If it go down to 5, boom, I just would have just bought at like 6. I would have put another $5,000 in. So, then I just would have been That's how we use ApeCoin, in my opinion. You got a lot of money, I will literally buy and sell. You can make over 6 figures doing that, in my opinion, with ApeCoin this year alone, and be able to pay off your taxes with it. That's how my mind thinks. And that's why you guys need to sign up for the Patreon when I started. The goal is going to be probably started the 1st of next month. I'm going to have signups available early. I just got to see how everything work. So I had to turn off the lights because when you have these bright lights on, it just mess up your eyes. So now I just see fucking lights and shit. So yeah, you gotta turn off some of these lights sometimes. So everything, me trying to read, you see little flashy stuff. So y'all see me squinching. I need to wear some glasses or something. Y'all see me doing lives pimped out with some glasses. When that game announced dropping Ape itself, Miami over here, Miami in the building. We got two Florida boys in the building. Yeah, we got 2 of them. I'm in the bottom of Dade County. We got 3 of them. We got Florida. I'm gonna hit all y'all up because y'all know I be in Florida. Right down 75. Bobby in the building. Everybody say what up to Bobby. Finally got some green today, but I'm not mad at the red either. Some great entry points. It's good, the people that bought in at the dip, we actually see some profits today. Nothing crazy. We just see a little bit of shit monies. All right, let's do a recap on everything before we get out of here. So let's first look at the stock market. Stock market rally, Dow rally 500 points. NASDAQ popped 4%, but Wall Street is still headed for a losing week. Yes, Elon Musk, he basically made Twitter go down because he said he's putting a pause on buying it, which is very, very strategic by him. He's an a-hole. All right, we have everything really is up today. You look at anything you invest in, you are in the green. You're still down, but you're in the green a little bit. Then if we look at coin market cap and see what's going on, you got the market in whole is up over 5%. Bitcoin over 30. Ethereum is back over $2,000 at 2,100. Got Cardano is up. You got everything is really doing great. And then you have some of the power hitters that's doing a little bit better than others. I believe that is Mana, Ape, Gala is up 50%, Stepping up 40%, Decentraland up 42%, Amp up 30%. You got Engine Coin up 24%. I bought some more Engine Coin last week, so I'm up on Engine Coin. But yeah, we got some good games over here. Then what they are talking about over here, let's see. Waves, 3 reasons why Cardano can sink further despite ADA bouncing 58%. What they don't be talking about my Cardano big portion. Stock market crash is far from over. First, the price action of Cardano and similar crypto access has been in a lockstep with U.S. equities, especially tech stocks. So he's saying if stock market crash, that's going to crash, which we already know that. Bitcoin likely to test 32.5 on several bullish reasons. YouTuber Lark, whoever it is, speculate the end of crypto market crash. He says the end of the crypto market crash. Everybody have their opinion. He don't know. I don't know. So I wouldn't even say that because some just say it, then it crash more. Maker DeFi tokens jump 30%. Cardano release new how you say that? Daedalus wallet updates. I don't feel like I said that right. Bitcoin is here. The worst case scenario for crypto markets. No rescue for Luna. Denies $3 billion bailout talks. Nobody need to bail them out. They got to figure it out. Step-in rally 75%. So, yeah, everything we really went under. Well, Cardano reached $0. They're fooling. Don't disrespect Cardano like that. We going to be all right over there. So yeah, the market not talking about too much. So be prepared, people. Once again, okay. Lando, I never forget you hooked me up with that $25 for Krispy Kremes. When you get that Patreon set up, I'm your first. As long as it's $1.99 a month or less. Yeah, hey man. Shout out to that. Yeah, because my thing, I'm a man of my word now, and it's great you're still involved on a channel because whenever I say I do like a money challenge, I really send the money to people. I'm like, I real life do that. And especially if I owe somebody money, you never forget who you owe money. I owe money to Jesse, the flight attendant, Jazz, the flight attendant, because we did a $20 curl bet on Michigan beating Alabama, and Georgia. Georgia whooped our ass, but she's taking the high road and not collecting the money, because if it was me, I would have asked for that money. So Jazz, you better get your $20, because if it was me, I'm getting that money. But yeah, the Patreon would not be $99. Once I go on Patreon and understand it, because to be honest, I actually being funny, I started the OnlyFans but for investment, and I literally had all the content on OnlyFans to be able to do the same type of thing. But it's just people don't want to do OnlyFans, which I had no problem with it. But I'm going to do it on Patreon. I'm going to figure out the price would make sense for me and my time, because my time is everything. I do this full time at this point. Go out and go make some money. I got a few ways to be able to make income, but I want it to be respectable price for you guys, and y'all getting y'all money worth times 10, and I'm actually enjoying the price. So that will be good. I said, you also never forget who you owe. Hell no. I hate like when people, like real life scenario, right? Real life scenario. I let one of my cousins borrow $200 to get out here for my grandfather's funeral. That was my grandpa. I don't even remember. We're going to say 5 years ago. We just going to say grandpa died 5 years ago. So I let him borrow $200, and he was like, yo, I'll pay you when I come in town. Come in town, we do the funeral, don't pay. Days later, I'm like, yo, where the money at? Man, I got you something, whatever it is. 5 years later, haven't paid. I ain't forget about it. I don't care. It is what it is. So I ran into him at another funeral. And it's funny. This is the guys at a funeral. So I ran into him at another funeral last weekend. As soon as he see me, oh, what's up, cuz? I haven't forget about that money I owe you. Nobody forget about it. He ain't gonna never pay it, but he always acknowledge that he still owe me money. So he ain't gonna pay it, and I ain't gonna expect it.
Oh my God. They took my job.
I don't know. People is crazy, dog. People is crazy. Crypto boy and hooked a player up again. I was trying to leave. Crypto boy and hooked a player up again. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. I appreciate it. Because your boy put in some hard work, man. Before I go out and go, just let me stay a little bit longer so I can kick with my kid a little bit and before I go out to the world. Because it's a weekend, so I'm going to be bougie, go do some Uber Eats or something, go make some money, pay some bills, invest in some crypto. Let's see what Crypto Boy said. I don't have the time to do what you are doing, but go ahead and start that Patreon. I can't wait to sign up. Keep it up. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, because it's like it takes time. People don't understand. Like whenever you go live, you got to think just this alone, I think costs like $700. Then you got the camera I'm on. That's probably a $700 camera. Then you got the lights. Then you got the microphone and the cords and all of that stuff just to be able to do it. So you have to invest. You got to have the time, and you got to remember, I was doing this for free for years. So it's like you do all of this hoping to get monetized. So appreciate you, brother. True, that was something taught me by my parents. Never be a bad pay. Always know if you owe someone. Yeah, man. My grandma taught me never let anybody borrow money that you don't have to give. If you don't have that money to give to that person, do not let them borrow that money. I got people still owe me money right now. I'm not worried about it because that wasn't money that I fully needed. If I need it, I'm not going to let you borrow money. Hey, I don't got it. So it is what it is. Borrow money can ruin friendships, could ruin relationships, or could strengthen them. The best thing is to follow my channel, make your own bag so you don't have to be able to borrow no money. Appreciate you guys. Y'all are amazing. I'm going to come up with the concept for the Patreon video. I believe it's going to be titled something like right now is the best time to invest in the market, become a millionaire, something crazy like that. And I'm going to add in a Patreon in the middle of the video. But in the meantime, I'm about to go make some money. And I don't want to go drive and leave the state because this gas too high right now. UPS trucks available. They emailing me right now, paying good money, $1.30 per mile plus $100 bonus. Cause they want me to drive to Canada. I don't want to do those no more. I used to do them. Not no more. And them things hot as hell. No AC. Have you guys ever driven? Well, I know most people haven't. But driving one of those UPS trucks is terrible. Like, so imagine this. Pause. Because since most haven't did it, when I probably do one, I'll probably vlog it and show y'all how it is. But you're getting into a metal fucking tube, metal thing, and the AC don't work. So it's no AC. Is no charger outlet, so you can't even charge up your phone. You have to ghetto rig and add like a piece to make a charger. It's crazy. It's no cruise control. Gas high as hell, expensive on them. I hated doing them, but they used to pay me so much money to do them because I used to drive them to Canada from Loudoun, Tennessee to what part of Canada? Oh, I drove all over Canada, but mainly Toronto. We just say Toronto. So they'd pay me like $1.14 a mile back in the day. Then they give me like a bonus to do it. So I was making crazy, like $1,000 a day doing it. But now with me getting older, that shit ain't worth it. It's not worth it. Do you like DoorDash or Uber Eats? FUCK DoorDash because they released me because I was making too much money with referral programs. So I only do Uber Eats. I miss DoorDash because it had more opportunities. But literally, I used to do YouTubes doing DoorDash, and I had my referral link, and people was signing up and hitting the referral link qualifications. So they like paid me one day. Hey, congratulations, you just made $750. The next day, congratulations, you just made $1,000. The next day, congratulations, you made $1,000. Once they did that, because so many people, my YouTubes was growing and people was hitting that goal, they triggered me for fraud. So they said I had a fraud account or whatever it is. So they owe me like $3,000 that I wasn't able to get. Wonder if I still got the messages. Let me see. What was one of the names of the referrals I got? DoorDash. I'm about to show y'all live. Let's see if I can find it. DoorDash. Referral fee. All right. Let's see. DoorDash bonus. I'm trying to see, like, you know what, on your iPhone you can type it in and see it. Not even sure. Because I can't remember. Oh, let me see. What was the price of one that they did? We'd say $700. Trying to. $700, wasn't it? $750? Nope. 1,000. I will have to find it. But I did a video showing actually, let me see. I can do this. I think I got it in the video I did. Cause people be lying and stuff. Me, I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. Let's see. Lando, Success, DoorDash, DEACT, C, all right.
I have a small YouTube.
Okay. So here go like one. I want to show you like the text message I was getting.
That I'm like, you. Come on, y'all.
$900.
Come on, y'all.
Bonus.
I made a free $900 from referring somebody to DoorDash, and I made a free $900.
That was an error.
All they did was completed their goals, and they also made, I believe, a $600 bonus on top of all the money they had. All they had to do was complete like 260 orders within 90 days, and I did.
I don't remember. So it's been, what,
I have
8
a small
months since I
YouTube
haven't did
channel,
DoorDash. It's been a while. Do I have it in this video? Deactivated because of that. But yeah, I was getting paid crazy. Oh, see, this how it was looking. I was getting these text messages. Congrats.
I received a message.
So-and-so successfully completed 290 deliveries. Let's see, 290. Okay, I found it. See, that's all I had to do is figure out the code word. Okay, look at this. Just me typing in that, right? Look at this. Congrats. Carlos successfully completed 290 deliveries. 900 will be paid to you. Then another $900. Sarah did another $900. And this is only $900 ones. I got so many of those. So yeah, they end up deleting a player because I was making too much money. Do you accept small orders from Uber Eats? No. Like today, I go out this Friday. I'm only accepting orders over $10. The way I look at it, if it's $10, I do 10 of them, I'm going to make $100. Anything under $10, I'm just not doing a day. So it have to be over $10, under 10 miles. So I'm going to probably do Uber Eats mixed with Grubhub. So I'm going to combine them two together. If it's not over $10, I'm not doing it because that's just the best way mathematically to do it. And shout out to this older guy. He gave me a $15 tip yesterday or the other day. All right, talk to you guys later. I'm out.